Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the Modicon EdgeIO training. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is the scan and create configuration that we have available with this solution. So let's go to the presentation. Okay, so as you know, we have different ways to connect to the device. We have the possibility to use Ethernet, or we have the possibility to use the USB stick. So if the device is brand new, okay, this is the information that we have. So if you put the rotary switch in the front in stored, okay, then the IP address will be the one that you have stored on the configuration. Okay, if it's brand new, then we have this one, 10.10. The last 4 digits of your MAC address. Okay, so if you take as this one as example, 3E V2, 3E, we just need to convert this to 62 in decimal. B2 in hexa to decimal is going to be 178. Okay, then the subnet mask for your PC to be in the same network in order to open the software or the web interface will be to 255.0.0.0. Okay, once you enter into the system, then you just need to use the security that you have already deployed, or the default one, which is security admin as shown there. Okay, and 8 A's in capital letter, and the security, the first letter S in capital and the A of admin in capital. Okay, simple as that. If you're not going to use the USB, the Ethernet, then what you can do is to use the USB port that you have in front of the unit. That basically it has a fixed IP address. Later you can change it, but if you don't change it, it's going to be this one, 192.168.200.1. Okay, that's the one, and 255.0. The only thing that you need to be cautious here is that you need to remember to see that network in your control panel. In your Windows configuration, you need to see that device. You probably use this remote NTS compatible device or something similar. Okay, go to TCP version 4 and check if you're in the same network. This number must not be the same as this one, otherwise you're going to be same IP. It's not going to work. Okay, now how do we start this? Okay, so this kind of create, it can be done through the software or from the online tool. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to open the online tool. In my case, it's going to be this IP address, okay, 10.10.62.168, because it's brand new. Well, it's not brand new, I have already made the factory reset, okay? And I need to put the Ethernet cable, otherwise I will not connect to it. Okay. Pin 10.10.62.168. There we go. Now try to connect again. There we go. So advance, yeah. And I have the connection with the device. Okay. Now this is one way to doing it. The other one would be the Modicon EdgeIO Configurator. It's opening the other side. I'm just bringing the other window. Wait for it to be open. Okay, so here we just need to connect to the network, and here just need to assign the IP address 10.10.62.178, the username and password, and then it will proceed. Okay, I'm going to use this one, so it's going to be security admin, the default, and then 1234 8 A's. Okay, in order to access to this, login. Here it asks me to add a new password. You need to follow all these. This is basically the things, the rule that we have. So I'm going to use administrator 1, administrator 1. Okay, check. So far so good. Change password. And there we go. So we access to the system with a new password. Okay, so now what we need to do is to scan, create the configuration. Here you can see that this one is it's not brand new, but it has a factory reset. So there's no configuration. So I'm going to scan and create. So basically it will scan the devices that I have next to me, okay, all these devices, okay, and it will add it in the configuration. So I don't start from scratch. Okay, let me just pull the other view. There we go. So here we just need to select a few things. This one, I'm using this. Basically, there are a few things, but I think it got it pretty good. Okay, create configuration. It's done. Okay, here you can see the consumption, power consumption. If you want, I can add the other modules that are missing. For example, the power supply. I don't remember which one do I have. Power supply. Not this one, the passive. Let me just check. Is this one? I'm going to add the other one. Add, and that's it. So now what I need to do is to go offline, or we can go to here, build configuration. Okay, it's valid. Probably what we need to do is to change the IP address. Okay, so we're going to change this to 192.168. Oh, 192.168.1.12. Going to 255.0, and this one 192.168.1.1. Okay, so here are another configuration that we can use in order to access to the NTP, quality of service. This one for the Rio, and this is the IP address for USB, in case we wanted to connect to. This is the register in case you want to use multi-speed, use the communication to exchange information. So I believe we are good with it. So we should be able now to download and make the things. So here I need to go online or just download here, configuration. Okay. Then it will ask me for a password, and the idea is now I'm trying to connect to the other one, so I need to use the new one. Let's leave. Advance. Let's wait for it. So it's gonna be security admin, administrator. Oops. Administrator 1. Login. Now we should be able to find or be able to log in. So I'm going to online. So online we have all the devices. Okay, here you can see diagnostics. What's really happening here? Not so much. Okay, I have it the other way around. But here you can see that how everything looks like. We can double check what is going on. Okay, with the unit. I have, for example, on the last 3 some push button that I can use in order to show that we have something. And probably if I show you this, you should be able to see that it changed. Okay, it also changed there. Here, how it changed information to here. Okay, this is just the scan and create configuration, which is quite nice. It's very easy to go with. So this is one of the features that we have on the Modicon EdgeIO solution. The scan and create configuration is quite nice. It's very easy, so you can just build your configuration, physically build it, and then just scan through the NIM mode that you have. It's very simple. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.